How to fix Chrome too many requests error. So if you're currently having this error, or often happens due to bots or aggressive extensions. So in these situations, the first thing that you can do is wait and retry. So the simple solution is to wait at least 5 to 15 minutes so that the servers reset. The servers are normally designed to temporarily block excessive requests, so you just need to wait out a couple of minutes before the issue is automatically fixed. What you can also try out is try to use the incognito window. So just click on the three-dotted line and then head over to the incognito window and try to see if you can do any searches. If you cannot, then what you can try out as well is try to clear out the cookies and cache of your browser. So just head over to the three-dotted line again, head over to delete browsing data. Make sure that the cookies and other site data and the cache images and files are selected, and then you need to at least select the last 7 days. So you can just select this option and then click on delete data. And now, even after doing all of these steps, if you're still having issues, then what you can also ensure is that you turn off all of the extensions that you might have added in. If you have a lot of extensions added in, this might also be causing this issue. So make sure you disable it, as well as disable any sort of ad blockers that you might add it in. Once you follow these few steps, you should be able to fix the Chrome too many request error. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.